Hello friends, welcome to the next video tutorial in the series of XHTML and CSS. In this video we are going to learn about div sections, which is one of the most important concept in CSS and XHTML anyway. So what are divs actually? Why do we use that, and what is the necessity for using div tags? See, if I want to have till now we have seen title, headers, paragraphs, images, tables. This is what we have seen, and whatever the pages we have designed, just we have kept like first of all header, after that paragraph, after that images, like we are styling like that, means one after another, one after another. But don't you think that it's a old type of styling? So we need to style in different way. So that is not the way we have to style our web page. So whatever I want to have in my web page, in whatever location I want to have that section, I can do. I can able to do that. So for that, div tags came into existence. Actually, what div tag does? Okay, I'll stop talking and I'll show you that in action. Anyway, so for that, first of all, we have to take some text in our body section. Like this is a paragraph, or this is some text in div section, for example. So here what I'm doing, this text I'm keeping in div section or div tags. This is also double tag, so we have opening and closing tags, right? So this is my div section. So now I'm styling this div section. So first of all, I'm keeping the border as so that you can see how does it look like. 1 pixel or 2 pixel, for example, solid, and I'll just take as blue color. So just save it and just refresh. How does it look in my HTML? I mean, how does it look in my index page? See, so this is what it's looking like. This is some text in div section, and by default it has some width over here, and just see, so when I refresh it, I mean when I maximize it, you'll see I can't able to show you like now. See, see this bracket, I mean this box is entire my web page. So this is what I don't want to have. This box is my entire page. This is what I don't want to have. I want to have my box width as something different, like 300 pixel, for example. So how can I do that? By having width of my box or width of my border is like 300 pixels, for example. So I want to have that. So just save it and just refresh my web page and see, now it is only 300 pixels. It is not entire my web page. It is only this much section. Now it's looking like a box. So my text is in some box, right? So with the help of div section, what I can do is I can place this box in whatever place I want. I can place this box over here, over here, over here. So whatever the place I want to have my box, I can place this box section anywhere. So that is that's what we can do with div section, right? So for that, how do I position for that? So how do I position my box? So for that, I'm using an attribute called position, and the value for this is absolute. So positioning absolute. So don't worry about this, because we are going to learn about this in separate section, separate sessions in future videos. Of course, we'll have 2 to 3 sessions only on this topic. So don't worry about this right now, and we'll see this in future sessions. So so this is what position is, nothing but absolute. Now I want to place this box like 40 pixels down and 35 pixels from left. So how do I do that? See, for that I'm just using like top 45 pixels, and from left I'm just using 35 pixels, for example. See, now you can visualize, or you can see how my box is going to appear. So my box is going to appear 45 pixels down and 35 pixels left. That is what means somewhere over here. So this is a point where my box is going to appear. Just refresh now. See, so this is 35 pixels from left and 40 pixels from top. So this is what, so most of the people will confuse, because if I say like top 45 pixels, they may think that it would be like they will consider the middle section of this box, and they'll assume the position will be like here. So it's absolutely wrong. So the thing is, like, it will consider the left corner. So the top 40 pixels is taken from the left corner, the box left corner. So that will be assumed that 45 pixels from top, this top left corner is 45 pixels top, 45 pixels down from the top and left, and it is 35 pixels far away from the left side. So this left corner is taken as the point, not the center of this box. So keep that in mind. So this is what div section. So I want to place my div section or this box wherever I want, and that is the main advantage of div sections. We can have different sections in our web page, like what can I say, like navigation section, the enter body section. In body sections you have different boxes, like you can have different boxes, you can place different boxes in your body sections, like main area section and navigation section or left navigation section. You can have different layouts, right? So different layouts and different sections you can keep in wherever you want with the help of div sections, div tag. So it is main useful tag we most frequently use when we are designing our web page. So don't forget this tag. It is very frequently used, and it is one of the main concept and main tag we go through. So this is just for layout actually. So whatever the layout we want for a web page, we can do that with the help of this div tag. Anyway, hope you understood about this div tag, and that's all for this video. And we'll learn about positioning in the future tutorials. Don't worry about that. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.